So good morning everyone. Market outlook for gold today and this week. You're looking at the Forex Factory kung ano yung mga fundamentals na lalabas ngayong linggo na to. We have the FOMC meeting on November 2. So expect very volatile week, and then there's the non-farm payroll NFP ng US. So looking at this data, ang ano nila is sa last October was good numbers for the NFP. Ngayon naman, they are forecast is 182K, so mababa. So this isn't really good for the dollar, yung sentiment na to. And looking at the FOMC statements, yung fund rates, steady sila. And everybody's expecting na mag-hold pa rin si FOMC ngayon. So let's look at the CME. So next FOMC meeting is in 2 days. And yes, mag-hold ang sentiment nila. So there would be a 98% chance na hold sila ng rates, right? So 2024, sa 2023, kita natin dito sa dot plot nila. Sa 2023, it's 5.5. Sa 2024, there would be rate cuts according to them. So kasi wala nang tataas pa sa 6. Meron dito ano. Sa dot plot nila, nandito yung 2024 we would have rate cuts, and 2025 and 2026 magre-rate cut na. Yung sa dot plot ng Fed FOMC participants dot plot. Right. So looking at the data na nakuha natin, so dito sa catalyst na to, there's a hold sa US dollar, so there's lesser chance na mag bullish sentiment sa gold for this week as per the fundamentals, because I think this will not really affect demand dito kay gold, kasi ang tension sa Middle East would be the very big catalyst sa move ng gold. So looking at the monthly, dito lang tayo sa price action, since the fundamentals are showing us na medyo alanganin tayo magtalpak ng sells dito sa gold. Okay, here looking at the monthly candles, I'm seeing ito nakita natin, meron tayong a high here, a lower high, and then meron kang na-break na yung lower high and created a higher high. So it's trending upward nung etong monthly candles na to. During the May, ito yung high nung May. And then retraced, created a low, na-break yung low nung September, then created another low here, then na-break naman to nung October. So it invalidates the support created here dahil nabasag yan, and then retraced back. So nung September, kinorek agad nung October. So will this the continuation of the bullish move? Let's see and analyze muna dito sa chart. So what are the candles telling us? The candles telling us that there is a resistance here at the 1990, which was broken. So that's the area that you should be mindful of, kasi hindi pa natatapos yung October candle. So this is the October candle. So meron pa tayong 2 days to finish this monthly candle. So dito makikita natin here Drawing tayo ng love. Okay. Here we can see every bullish move from a support here. So, nag-bullish move siya. Created a body here and created a wick. So, may wick siya. Here, ang October natin is hindi pa nagbi-wick pataas. Okay? Should have a wick pataas. So, here is the resistance level na monthly high at 1990. So, nabasag na yan. Should create a wick up to here. This would be the range candle. And then, it could retrace back down or sa ano na to, kung dito lang siya, hanggang dito lang yung magiging bullish niya. Magre-retrace siya papunta dito as long as it closes above the 1990 level on Tuesday before the FOMC meeting. There's a high probability na tingnan lang. Okay, so if it closes above this level, itong ano na to, 1990 level na to. So it should create a wick. Okay, mag-wick siya hanggang 2020, then close just below the 2000 level. Wag lang bumalik sa 1990 level. And there's a high probability that on Wednesday or Thursday, we could have a bullish gold testing that 2040, 2050 level. So magiging close nito is here. Created a wick here, range wick. Then the opening of the new monthly candle will push the price upwards during the FOMC meeting. But if not, so kung sa 1990 below siya mag-close, then it could be itong resistance na to would be a valid resistance, and then this shoot up would be a rejection candle for rejection of the prices above the 2000 level. So we may see gold on Thursday test this another low here. Ito test niya ulit itong 1920 na level if magko-close siya ng 1990 level sa monthly niya. Right? Doon yun sa monthly na kwento. So looking at the weekly candle, kung titingnan natin yung weekly. So weekly, ito yung support ng monthly 1990. I already put a horizontal line there. So it should close above that level. So sa weekly naman, we could expect a retrace. So here, like 2005, and this is the resistance. And following, itong Monday na to, pagkapasok na, if it does not gap up, so pag nag-gap up yan, so dire-diretso na yan dito sa 2080, pag nag-gap up ngayong pag-open. But if not, so this would be a solid resistance here. And Monday volume, wala masyadong values dito sa ano natin, dito sa, wala naman masyadong catalyst dito sa US dollar. So we may see gold retracing. Okay, so kaya nga sabi ko dun sa ano natin na magsusogi king or black meteorite tayo this week because I expect na mag-hold tong 2020 psychological level na to. So yung 2020 na yan, marking natin as a solid support. Okay, let's put it on 2020 level. So I expect that would hold the position, yung ano na yan, yung resistance na yan. Then it could spike up to 2020 and then retrace back. And the support would be the 1990. Yun yung magiging support mo ngayon sa 1990. So that's a range of around 300 or $30 na range. So that would be a good range for a black meteorite or a soggy king. So kuha ka lang dyan ng mga $10 to $20. That's a lot of kaso lang nasa 2005 pa siya. That's around $15 risk kung dito ka mag-entry mamaya. So hintayin na lang natin kung if it gaps up or not. So if it doesn't gap up, sana mag-bullish pa siya sa Asian so that the London and the New York will correct its move and bring the price back down to 2000 or the 1990 level, just above this 1990 level. But please remember, kung mabasag tong 1990 level, there is no wala na akong bullish sentiment nun kung nabasag 1990. So the range would be here, the 2020 and the 1990 level. Looking at the H4, dito tayo sa H4. Same lang naman ang kwento na to. Pinapababa lang natin. So sa H4, ito na yung range niya. Na level na natin sa 1990 and 2020. So this is the range. So I'm looking for sells ngayong araw na to, Lunes. So if the price goes near the 2020 level, then I will sell. And the stop loss would be around $5 or $6. Depende na lang ano magiging volume nun mamaya. So I'm looking for sales today. And I expect the price will not pierce the 2020 and just oscillate here before the FOMC meeting. Okay? Oscillate siya dito before the FOMC meeting. Like ganon. Ganon siya dito. Mag-range. And if data are very bullish for the US dollar, could pierce the 1990 and went back down. As long as mag-hold to, no, before month end, before October 31. So we have a bullish setup. So pag example sa October 31 hindi na pierce yung 1990. So during the FOMC we can have a bullish na talpak. Magbo-bullish talpak tayo and anticipating for a break in the 2020 level. But if not, and nabasag yung 1990, baka ngayong Lunes basahin yung 1990. So that would be a bearish na sentiment pagkapasok ng FOMC meeting. So for now, ngayong Lunes, I will be looking for sells but we won't be selling it yet. So maghahanap tayo mamaya. Now, I hope na pagkapasok nung another 4R here could create a wick sa 2016 and then that area 2020, 2016 pwede na natin siyang i-sell, right? So, or if mag-gap up siya, wala tayong sells. Okay? Yun lang. Kung mag-gap up, no sells. But if not, wala siyang gap up. And then maybe a downward momentum. As long as andito pa siya, we can have a Soggy King or a Black Meteorite setup. Okay? So, ulitin lang natin. Dito yan. Expect price won't pierce the 2020. Mauuntog siya dyan. Then here. Then the two scenarios will play out. If it closes above the 1990 during the end of the month, then we could have a bullish bias. But if not, if di mag-hold tong area na to, then we could have a bearish na setup and we'll test the 1960 range again. Right? So, I guess that's all for gold ngayong araw na to. So, tingnan natin mamaya. Di tayo magtatalpak muna ng black meteorite natin kasi medyo alanganin pa. But this is the levels na kailangan nyo tandaan. 2020 and the 1990 level. So, good luck everyone. Hope may nakuha kayo dito. And have a nice day. And have a profitable week. Thank you.